The Rhinoceros Hornbill is a species of forest hornbill that lives in Borneo, Sumatra, Java, the Malay Peninsula, Singapore, and southern Thailand. It was first described in 1758 and contains 3 subspecies. They are a large arboreal hornbill, being about 80 to 90 centimeters long, with males weighing about 2,465 to 2,960 grams, with females weighing about 2,040 to 2,330 grams. Its diet is dominated by fruit, but it will take any insect, small reptile, rodent, and smaller birds that it can catch. Its current status is vulnerable, with a number of threats such as habitat loss, as well as hunting for its meat, skull, and feathers. And that's the end of the video. And if you enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe.